Hello and welcome to this midday market mood check with me, Nandita Khemka, and my colleague Yatin Mota. Well, Yatin, we've completely fizzled out from the day's high after reclaiming that 18,200 mark. I think the last time I checked, Nifty was somewhere up around 1%, point or thereabouts. So we've completely fizzled out. We, in fact, are witnessing underperformance when it comes to the broader markets as well. But when you look at the movers in today's session, it's the entire IT basket. Correct. As well as the auto pack that is extremely active. You have Tata Motors as the top gainer. In fact, even Maruti is among the gainers. Both these companies will be reporting earnings. Maruti will be reporting earnings today, and we are expecting an improvement in margins. But of course, commentary on the chip shortage is something that we will be watching out for. And when it comes to Tata Motors as well, strong show expected there as well, with both domestic as well as JLR businesses clocking volume growth of 15 to 20% on a YY basis. So these two counters are extremely upbeat ahead of earnings. But what's not doing well is of course Axis Bank, because it did report steady set of numbers, but I think it's the weakness in the deposit franchises as well as increase in slippages and provisions that is hurting sentiment for the stock. Well, aside of that, the IT basket is also pretty active. HCL Tech, Infosys among top Nifty gainers. But Yatin, when it comes to the mid-cap universe, quite a lot of earnings reactions today.
Reactions are there, But, as Nandita was mentioning, 18,200 is the level which we hit today, and post that we are looking at a level of 18,120. So we are almost 80 points off the day's high. More importantly, Nifty Bank, mid-caps and small caps are trading in the red already. So, the broader markets are under pressure. Obviously, IT as a pack is supporting the market, but you look at the losers today. Axis Bank is down 3%. We have Grasim and Ultratech Cement slipping in trade. Bharti Airtel, after hitting new highs, it has come off. Maruti and HDFC Bank are doing well as far as Nifty constituents are concerned. But ahead of results, Tata Motors is in top gear, almost 3.5% up, as Nandita was mentioning. But look at the result reaction today. We have Poonawalla Finance that is up 6% after good set of numbers. Zensar Technologies 5% up post good numbers. Root Mobile also, we have the results which came up, and post results the stock is up 10%. Surprisingly, Nandita, today Nykaa is also up 6.5%.
They have appointed a new CFO, so maybe a reaction to that as well.
So could be that. And on the losing end, we have L&T Finance, which is down 5%. Tata Communications, RBL Bank. They came out with earnings, and both of these stocks are under pressure. Also under pressure, if you look at it from that side, is Indus Tower, 1.5% lower. Laurus Lab, Thyrocare, all of these stocks are hitting fresh 52-week lows. So, a lot of stocks are also under pressure. We also have the likes of Gland Pharma, Idea Cellular, Shilpa Medicare hitting fresh 52-week lows in trade today.
Yeah, then the Adani FPO is opening on the 27th of this month, in fact,
and
Friday.
Tomorrow will be the anchor book.
Yeah, so what are you picking up? Do you expect or are you picking up that it may get a good response given the attractive price point? Or
so I would say the price point is not that attractive as such, but obviously to the market price there is some discount for retail shareholders. Obviously, the anchor book is something we'll be watching out for, because 25th, which is tomorrow, the anchor book will get finalized. Reports are suggesting, and bankers are indicating that there is a fair bit of demand from the anchor book and the anchor investors. It needs to be seen what are the quality of investors which are participating in the anchor book, at what price band is the anchor coming in. So these are the things which we'll be watching out for. But a 20,000 crore FPO, out of which 50% is payable right now, which is half of that amount, 10,000 crores. Let's see how the institutional side responds, and I think post that only, I think HNI and retail investors will take a decision.
Well, sure. As we speak, Nifty Bank in the red, of course, and the Nifty also, I think, had slipped into the red for a brief period. Well, we will be watching out for whether we can, in fact, make a U-turn and reclaim some of the gains that we have lost in today's session. But with that, that's all we have for today in the mid-cap mood check. So stay tuned to Moneycontrol for all your other market updates and financial news updates.
1st February 2023, the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will present the last full union budget before 2024 elections. India's most awaited financial event comes in the midst of global slowdown, inflation, liquidity tightening, geopolitical tensions, and re-emergence of COVID-19. Will India look to fire up its manufacturing? Will India build a moat against global uncertainties? What will the budget have for the middle class? Watch the complete coverage of Budget 2023. Real-time analysis, expert takes all day on Moneycontrol. Log on to www.moneycontrol.com for more.